that bad because it's like clear, so it's not that bad. What you get? We got these items left. What did you get?
Oh.
What are you doing?
You told me to wait, so I waited.
But did you, Mommy, you opened that already. What did
No,
you
I
get?
didn't.
Yes, you did. It's
I
literally
did not.
open.
What?
You got yellow glitter. Mommy, did you open it or not?
I did not.
Okay, take it. Mommy, you did. You did. Okay, just do it. Because I want that. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today we are with my mom. And today we are doing a slime video. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but we're doing a slime video. And what we have to do, this is our mystery box. We pick out some papers and we open it up, read it. And I have all this, the slime ingredients here. And we just got to pick one and we have to put the whole thing in, even if we don't want it to put it in. And yeah, we got our bowls and we got our spatulas. But she has a spoon. Okay, well, I'm gonna go first because I want to.
What?
I got activator and I don't know how much I need. Because I don't know how much I'm gonna put in it. What is this? Why is it like gel?
It's frozen. Maybe you had to shake it.
I'll put a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good.
What do you think I got? Oh, you're cheating.
No, Mom, you have to tell me.
You're trying to look through the paper.
What?
Purple
Marbles. Here you go.
Oh.
Purple marbles. Okay.
Bling, bling.
Ooh, one escaped.
It really don't want to go in there.
You're gonna have to.
Oh.
Okay, my turn. This one's just right there, so I'm just gonna. Googly eyes. Googly eyes.
Creepy.
Got the whole thing in there. Done.
What you think I'm gonna get next?
Green.
No, that doesn't match. What? I got nothing. Oh, here you go.
Heart
Heart sprinkles.
What? Getting like the
Ooh.
best things. I got googly eyes and activator.
I can get bum bum.
Wait, he didn't even show them, Mommy.
Oh, oops.
Oops. Oops. Can you see it?
Sorry, I'm not flipping y'all off.
Pink color glue. Oh, I actually got blue. Okay, so it's pink color, so it's not glittery. Da-na-na. But I got this one for glue, and the glue is actually what you need. So I'm technically winning right now. You're winning from the good looks, but I'm winning from actually like making slime. Look at this. Ready, Mom?
Oh, I farted. Oh, excuse you. Stop doing that. Blue colored glue.
Blue?
Yes. Bring
one?
it, bring it, bring it.
Says it. Squeeze it, Mommy.
Oh, excuse me, y'all. I should say some beans.
Don't get your spatula. Why you didn't take it out? Shouldn't take it out. Ah.
looking beautiful. It got hearts.
No, mine's looking beautiful. I got activated googly eyes in pink glue. It's a monster. Big rainbow foam balls. This is what it is. Rainbow balls. This is pretty. It's pretty.
Give them to me.
No, it's mine.
They go perfect with mine.
No, it's perfect with my slime.
I want to get.
You can't mix it yet, mommy. Alright? Were you about to see what you wanted, mommy? Ooh.
Purple color glue. Oh. I don't want that.
You
That's
don't
gonna
want it?
mess up my. Or actually, no, it's fine because
There's purple marbles in there.
Yeah, so that's perfect.
Ooh. Pink sparks. This one.
Ah, I wanted that for mine.
I mean, there's still more, like a red and green one.
I don't like that. That is horrible color. I want the gray.
Silver, mommy. Silver.
Silver, okay. Fine, hey, silver.
Ooh, this feels good. Feels good. Also, mommy, when we mix it up, we have to actually dig with our hands next to mix it.
Oh, heck, no.
Yeah, yes.
Not doing that.
You have to?
No.
Yes.
Now, where are my gloves?
No.
I'm not touching this thing, hey.
Yes, you are. You have to.
Rainbow glitter.
Rainbow glitter. Here we go.
Okay, that's not that.
There we go. There. Whoa, that was so much. What? That's so pretty.
You guys want to see? Look. Ooh,
No,
looks like the ocean.
Mine's not gonna win. I got shaving cream. Mine's gonna be fluffy. At least mine's gonna be fluffy.
I want to see how that's going to turn out.
What? Wait, this one's stuck. Oops. Yeah, that's good.
I got another glue, and it is a glitter one.
Please be red. Please be red.
It is pink!
No!
To match my beautiful ocean.
That doesn't match.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. I
Yeah,
kept
because
filling
I
here.
got pink in here and some purple already. And this one's really stuck in there.
Just putting some extra. See?
Is that even yours?
Yeah, it's pink. Pink glitter glue.
I think she's stuck.
I mean, not glitter. No, this color. I don't like this one right there. Like your blue has a little bit too. Okay, it's a glue. It's glitter. Please don't be red.
Red. Oh.
I got blue. Oh, that was supposed to match for yours. Bam! Okay, so I got this color. No.
I don't want that red. It looks very...
You're gonna get that red.
Look at this red. It's ugly.
Aw, look at this, guys. Satisfying. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that came out quite well. I got green sparkle. No, I did not want this because this is really ugly.
Ha ha
But
ha.
I'll have to make it work.
Yeah, you are. You have to put the whole thing in.
That's just ruined my entire
Ew.
brown.
Somebody pooped in your slime now.
Not okay.
Now look at mine.
Looks like vomit now.
I think mine's gonna be. I have a lot of blue in here, so it might be. I don't know. Okay, let's go. Oh, and also this is self-made from me. Okay, it's a glue. It's a glitter glue, please. Please be purple. Please be purple.
Red.
No, it's red. Oh, it's still gonna turn out pretty. It's gonna go orange or something. No! Ew!
Bye.
No, you still have poop in your slime.
That is true. Rainbow
Marbles.
Well, at least there's a little green in here.
Whoa,
that
look,
might
there's
match.
gold though. There's gold,
That's terrible.
but it's not terrible. I got more activator. Maybe I get the last activator. And
I
you're just gonna
need-
be blue.
I need the activator.
Yeah, you're not gonna get it. Plop. Okay, that's it. 3,
I
2, 1.
got red sparkles.
Here you go. Do you want that?
It's more like orange. No, I don't want this. This is ugly.
Oh, you should have changed your answer. Oh, put it on inside.
Terrible.
Ooh. Well, it's even now. I have red, so you have red. Hey! Okay, oops. I'll just grab this one. Okay. Purple glitter glue! Ha! 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 Now there's only one more glue left, and it's green. Oh, I can still get it, but hopefully you get it. You don't really have that much to use.
My slime's just not looking too fresh anymore.
Let's just cover all that
I'm
red
worried.
stuff.
I'm worried.
We're gonna cover all that red stuff. What is it? Mommy, you can't cheat. If you saw that, you have to pick it. Did you see it, Mommy?
No. I didn't, right, guys? I didn't.
Mommy, don't cheat. What did you get?
Yellow foam.
Do you want that?
Let's give some brightness to this.
Hopefully I get good. You're not gonna get activator, and yours is just gonna be the big poop right there. It's not even about these slime. I ultimately win. Okay, I'm gonna start squeezing this thing.
It's my turn. I haven't picked.
You got yellow!
Did I?
Yes, you did. You put the yellow in.
We better not get no more activated.
Got this one. No, I got the green glitter.
Oh, that means I get an activator.
No, you still more stuff. You might get the green balls. I got this. Well, it's not that bad because it's like clear, so it's not that bad. What you get? We got these items left. What did you get?
Oh.
What are you doing?
You told me to wait, so I waited.
But did you? Mommy, you opened that already. What did
No,
you
I
get?
did.
Yes, you did. It's
I
clearly
did
open.
not. What?
You got yellow glitter. Mommy, did you open it or not?
I did not.
Okay, take it. Mommy, you did. You did. Okay, just do it. Because I want that. Oh. Ew.
What? Oh my goodness.
I got. silver. Nice. I didn't want that.
I did.
That's why you just cheated.
I did not cheat it. Don't accuse me of that.
We all saw you.
What?
We all saw you. Got a piece of paper and throw it back in there.
No, I didn't.
Guys, this is my slime now. It's all green and it looks gross. I can't really show you because it's gonna fall down. But yeah, it looks gross.
Can't open this. I'm afraid it's gonna splash everywhere.
Gotta put the whole thing in.
Here, open it for me.
All of this is probably a lot. Dump it, dump it. I thought it was gonna be more effects. Yellow glitter. That's gonna fix everything. It's way better than silver. Whoa! Look at that change, Mommy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You wish you had this now.
That does look pretty good. This is stuck on here. Ouch.
You cheater.
Activate.
Oops. Okay, well, I'm not showing you how much you have to put. You might ruin your slime if you put too much.
I've been waiting for this all time.
If you put too much, it's not gonna activate. It's gonna be all sticky and icky. Okay, well, this is the last thing anyway, so I obviously got the green foam balls. Yep. I don't even have to open it. It's the last thing in here.
Now we can mix it.
No, hold on. Let me finish. Calm down. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Mine's gonna be way better than yours. It has googly eyes in it. Eyes. It was so much shaving cream. Gotta get the bottom. Whoa, look at that. It looks like a rainbow.
Yeah, that one's nice.
Look at this, guys.
I hate those yellow stuff on my thing. It looks terrible.
Look at that. It's like rainbow. Oh, mine. I'm definitely going to win. You thought you were going to win because yours look like Galaxy? But I'm still going to win. Ha ha. And then mine's, whatever color it is, mine's going to go lighter since it's shaving cream. But it looks like the green and blue is fighting against each other. I hope blue wins. Oh, all these colors, like red is competing with them too. Looks like a rainbow because every color is.
Mine just looks like a hot mess.
Okay, we're gonna fast forward and yeah, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm putting that.
Mine was going so perfect.
I mean, it's so purple.
No, I don't want this stuff on it. It looks terrible.
I think the silver messed it up, Mommy.
The silver?
Yeah. Well, mine's looking way better than yours. And mine's gonna be a huge slime. You're gonna be like this small. Because you didn't get any glues. You only got like 2 glues.
Mine
Whoa. Okay, I need some more activator. I have a huge slime. Where's the activator? What you doing? What you doing?
actually, don't talk to me.
You don't need any more.
But I don't want you to win, so I have to take it away from you.
No, we need this to. Now you squeezed a
Yours
little
looks
bit.
pretty gross.
Yeah, it looks gross, but it's gonna be kind of good. Well, it's gonna get stuck to the glove.
What's going on?
Oh. Look at this.
What's going on with yours?
Yeah, they're still competing under the shaving cream. You can't see anything else with the shaving cream.
Okay, we're back, guys. Hers didn't work, so mine
We're
worked.
still doing it. We only started mixing for like 3 minutes. What do you mean? You gotta keep mixing it, especially mine's bigger than yours because you only got like 3 or 2 glues. That's it. But mine's white. It's like a baby. Okay, guys. So I am finally done with mine, and my mom like quit. So my brother finished her slime for her, just rolling it up. And I'm gonna show you my slime first. So this is what I got. I have a huge slime, like huge. So like yeah, and also like I have these little green and like the gold and pink balls that I got from like the giant rainbow stuff. It's really stretchy, like whoa, can go all the earth. And it's not that sticky, but it's just a little bit sticky because I just finished it, but it's not that sticky. So if you like mine, hashtag Play-Doh. Play-Doh.
So if you do this, it's like e-brick. So you can make it hard, but if you keep it in your hand,
Mommy.
look,
Mommy.
you can see it slowly
You can
going.
take it out from the
If you
slime.
can guys tell,
This, 'cause you
it's
this.
slowly going down.
This.
But you can make an impact again, and it's not sticky.
See, now
See,
it's
look,
done.
now it's back hard, and it's stretchy too. Gotta get it.
Mommy, what do you hashtag your slime? What do you want to call your slime?
Galaxy.
Hashtag Galaxy.
Oh.
So I hope you guys succeeded. If you did, smash that like button. Don't
Okay, so you
forget
got
to
5 items to hold.
subscribe. And I had so much fun, so I might do this challenge probably again, but with another person. Oh, I made a bubble. And yeah, hope you guys succeeded. If you did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And yeah, I'm gonna do this challenge again. But for now, I need some money.
Yeah, that's what I
So
said.
peace.
I'll tell you how to stop.
Guys, real quick, I want to show you this real close. It's been like probably, I don't know, a good 5 hours since we done this, and this is how it actually turned out. It's like, I don't know, it turned darker. But anyways, this is how mine sounds. Boom. Technically, yeah, it sounds a little bit better when I put it down, but I don't want to really put it down right now. But yeah, but that's how it is. Now, it's kind of like brown, but it's like gold. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.